The journey to the tent house begins long before you reach its threshold. Hidden within the Noosa hinterland on Queensland's Sunshine Coast, the approach transitions from a typical rural neighborhood into a winding bush track. This path serves as a deliberate boundary between the bustling, constructed world and a serene forest clearing. Arriving at the site feels less like approaching a traditional building and more like discovering a secluded camp, evoking the spirit of the region's early settlements. Nestled calmly within this wildland, the three-bedroom family residence is designed to embrace, rather than conquer, its picturesque surroundings. Built along an east-west contour, the architecture ensures that every room looks out toward the vibrant rainforest to the north. By adapting to the dense forest canopy, which creates its own distinct microclimate, the home naturally captures the flow of environmental energy while establishing a profound visual connection to the wilderness. Inside, the home emphasizes simplicity and emotional warmth. The interior experience is defined by a light material palette and rich timber accents that instantly make inhabitants feel like they are in a familiar home away from home. Rather than feeling confined, the spaces are flooded with abundant natural light, creating an expansive, airy atmosphere that brings a deep sense of calm to everyone inside. The true brilliance of the design lies in its dynamic versatility, operating on a dual concept of shelter and security. During the cooler months of the year, the home functions as an operable, insulated box that maximizes winter solar gain and keeps the elements at bay. When the weather warms, the structure transforms, flexing into an open, tent-like amenity that dissolves the boundaries between the indoors and the outdoors. Deceptively compact from the outside, this modern pavilion ultimately allows its owners to live simply without sacrificing comfort. By giving the inhabitants the freedom to alter their living condition at their own discretion, the architecture provides a fluid lifestyle. It stands as a masterclass in tropical design, proving that a home can actively engage with a very special site while offering a sanctuary of comfort and warmth.